Okay, I'm going to reload my fire a little bit and put some more wood in here. I'm going to be doing some baking, so I want to get my oven up to temperature. Alright, I've got a pretty good amount in here. I'm going to go ahead and close it. And then I'm going to open up the ash door here so you can see how easy it is to get that flame going during the light up process. So just like that, it takes off like a torch. Super easy to load, to light, to work with. And then basically you just want to sit here for a little bit until the front of your wood fully ignites. And that's going to give you a nice, hot, clean burn. This does multiple things, cleanliness. So it's going to keep your glass burning clean. Also, as far as what's circulating around the oven, it's going to be cleaner when you have a good, nice, hot flame during the takeoff after refueling. So we're almost fully ignited, excuse me, almost fully ignited to the front of the wood here. And then once I'm there, I'm going to go ahead and close the door. Just another minute. And this is going to take us into more of a medium hot burn. I'm not packed as hot as I need to be. What I'm going to be baking today is like a 350 temperature, so it's not excessively hot. So yeah, and you can see the adjustment in the airflow like that quick in the flame. And that's why it's really important that, well, this is a very useful tool to do when lighting and reloading your fire. It's super, super important to make sure that you don't walk away and leave this ash pan open, because you could definitely run the risk of overfiring your stove. Okay. There we have it. All right, she burns beautifully.